Everybody, and greetings from Finland, TVO Olkiluoto. So my name is Heikki Lukkari. I'm working as a OL3 plant manager here in company TVO Olkiluoto in Finland. Some words about the Olkiluoto 3 unit proceeding momently. So we have been operated our unit already more than 1 year in commercial operation, and I think that the unit has showed let's say stable and safe operation. But prior we were able to start our commercial operation, I will introduce some important topics, how we were able to let's do the transition from the Olkiluoto 3 project to the commercial operation. The priority in the use of the nuclear energy is always the safety. We have to understand that as leaders and managers. So whatever is the situation in the project, the priority should be always the safety. And the second important topic is the teamwork. Without, let's say, very deep and solid teamwork, the issues can be difficult. But when the team is working perfectly, then whatever is coming front of the teams and whatever is, let's say, the problems and difficulties, what definitely will be faced during the nuclear unit projects, those will be solved. So the power is in the teamwork. And finally, of course, every person involved in the nuclear power plant business should be accountable for his own duties and responsibilities. That's the one topic of the safety culture also. Olkiluoto, we have three nuclear power plant units. Two older ones are the boiled water reactors, and the newest Olkiluoto 3 is the pressurized water reactor. Of course, there are plenty of similarities in between those three nuclear units, but of course the operation itself and the way how we are operating the units are then different from the operating manual point of view, because the process and components are not the same, and also the composition of the operation organization in the shifts is a little bit variating, because we have a bigger unit, so we need a little bit more people in the field activities especially. But in principle level, of course, the main processes where we are, let's say, maintaining the plant status are pretty much similar or even equal between those three units. But of course, some details in the operations, those we have some differences. So the control functions of the Olkiluoto 3 are differing from the Olkiluoto 1 and 2, which are the more older units. So we have more digital control functions in Olkiluoto 3, and also the operator aid functions are, let's say, much more sophisticated in Olkiluoto 3 unit compared to Olkiluoto 1 and 2. But however, of course, always the operators in the main control room are doing the control actions by the lead of the shift supervisor. So this is same for all units in Olkiluoto. Of course, now when we are in commercial operation in Olkiluoto 3, the main issue in annual level is to plan, let's say, safe and reliable outages. From the schedule point of view also, in the first outage, we had some issues, but surely now when we are currently planning the second outage taking place in the next year, March, we have taken plenty of lessons learned, and I'm pretty sure that now we are able to keep the time schedule much more better. But of course, also during the outages, the safe and reliable proceedings are always the priority. Yeah, and something about the cooperation between the sister units for the EPR. That's essential for us here in Olkiluoto because we are not the similar units compared to our Olkiluoto 1 and 2, so we need definitely some specified, let's say, interchange of the information between our sister EPR units. Those are the Tyson 1 and 2, and also the Flamanville 3, which is now under nuclear commissioning phase, and the units in UK, Hinkley Point C, 2 units there. And we have also cooperated already quite widely between all of these utilities, and especially I would like to say that we have a good relation in direction to Flamanville 3, and would like to thank you also that to EDF that's possible for us. As I said already earlier, during the commissioning phase, there will be issues which have not been planned. We can call it some unexpected events. When you have a nuclear professional organization to do the nuclear commissioning, you are able to tackle all of those issues what you are facing, and remembering that always the safety is the priority when we are using the nuclear energy. I would like to say good proceedings for everybody there, especially in Flamanville 3, and let's keep our business in safe and reliable condition.
Yeah.
Finally, I would like to say a good meeting for all of you there in Paris, and we are continuing our operation here in Olkiluoto, also for Olkiluoto 3, and let's be in touch. Thank you.